Adam, go on this one.
Go on this one, Adam. Well, you can't turn out or burn.
So. Adam, go on the red one. What?
Yeah. Skylar, why are you? Oh my god. I'm trying to be cool. Why are you still recording it?
I don't know.
You like watching Adam? You're gonna say that on your phone and just watch it and be like, oh, Adam.
No. You would. What is he doing?
That'd be cool.
Go after him. Go after him.
Skylar, when you're gonna be in high school, are you gonna have a girlfriend soon?
Yeah, I would. What is he
Really?
doing now?
Because you're gonna be a freshman pretty soon,
I don't know.
and I don't think you're gonna have a girlfriend. You only have like,
Whatever.
oh my god.
What are you doing?
Texting Chris.
What are they?
Oh, I don't know.
No,
Say
what
me.
are you?
No.
Stop!
What? They're dumb.
See, look what that stupid tube does to me, Sam.
Yell out dinner time. No, wait, no, not yet. When they're all the way on the bottom of the
Yeah. And they go all the way down.
We know. We're all yell at dinner time when Adam goes down there. What is he
Devin's
doing?
way ahead.
Are you Devin?
Car!
Adam, move over!
Adam, you're so dumb!
Oh my god.
It almost hit him.
Car!
Adam,
Wow.
any more coming?
No!
Look at him. Car!
Go.
I think they need a hitchhike.
Wait, we were supposed to say dinner time.
They weren't both at the bottom.
You guys, go all the way to the bottom!
No! No, don't.
Chair. He's not even going.
Adam needs something faster.
You wanna go push him? You wanna go push him?
No, I'm recording.
Oh my god, you're not recording anything. Oh my god, don't do that.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Skylar!
Sorry. What was that about?
Yeah.
He was out of the way.
Angry Grandma! Adam, did she say anything to you?
I thought she was gonna pull over.
Angry Grandma.
I was trying to hit reverse. But that was his grandma?
No, I just said angry Grandma.
Oh. Yeah, I thought she was gonna stop. Dude, she started rolling down her window, so I started to hit reverse. I'm like, one person stopped and said, get out of the road. I know, get out of the road. You're gonna get ran over here, motherfucker.
You almost got ran over. You almost got ran over. Ride the bike.
Okay, we were
Not that bike.
we were gonna when
No,
you guys went
no,
all
we
the,
weren't.
Huh?
No, we weren't.
When if you guys went all the way to the bottom, we were gonna yell dinner time, and then you guys be like
You were gonna what?
nothing. It's not really.
No, I'm not mad. I just didn't hear what he said.
No. Okay, it's not really that important. We were close. It was Skylar's idea to when you guys got all the way to the bottom. To yell
So dumb.
You're riding the pink motorcycle.
Oh
Ride
my
the
God.
pink bike.
Look at what this person's saying.
Oh.
I don't even know what that is.
No.
Do it, I dare you.
Adam, do you understand this?
I want to see it.
Oh my God,
Wait, let me see.
Skylar!
I want to see it. That's disgusting.
I don't even know who it is.
Let me see. What does it say? I'll send a picture.
You say okay.
Wow. What'd she say?
I don't want to
I
send
say
you.
no. You already did.
What do you want to hear?
Somebody.
Shut up!
Ride the pink bike.
Does that feel good?
So you don't even know who sent that to you?
No. That was that weird.
Oh.
A stalker.
I guess I had the wrong number, but then I deleted a message and you were like, I'll send you this or that.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, well, there it could be worse girls too.
This rock is loose.
Why? Oh my gosh.
Security. So?
He waved and smiled. You want me to push you up that driveway?
Yeah. Do it.
Then you have to
Ride
be
the
nice
pink
to me
bike.
every time I see you.
Ride the pink
Are you
bike.
sure about that? And do you actually hate me?
Oh, he's back.
Watch out. I knew it. Good.
Hi.
Just be careful, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, probably just keep them on the street here. There's a lot of cars go fast on that hill. With the sun right now, it's hard to see.
It's a solar eclipse.
Yeah.
So just be very careful. Probably just keep them on the street here.
Okay.
That's like the nicest.
I recorded him.
Yeah, that's the nicest one. We've seen him every.